ஒரு நல்ல லாயரை பார்த்தா உடனே முடிச்சிடலாம்.
அப்ரேசர் வரலைங்க ஐயா.
கேஸ் பாஸ்ட் ஆன் டு நெக்ஸ்ட் மந்த் செகண்ட்.
பினு ஃபீஸ் ட்ரான்ஸ்ஃபர் பண்ணிட்டியாமா?
போலீஸ் தரப்புல இருந்து யாரும் வரலைங்க ஐயா.
கேஸ் பாஸ் ஆன் டு நெக்ஸ்ட் மந்த் 15th.
நான் அந்த திருடங்கிட்ட வாங்கியாச்சு, இவங்க கிட்ட வாங்க முடியல.
பெரிய புடிங்கியா நீ?
நீ யாரை வச்சு இனிமே இந்த கேஸ்?
இப்படியே எத்தனை நாள் இருக்க போற? ஒரு நாள் இந்த இடம் மாறாமையா போகும்?
இது என் இடம், என் கோட். கடவுளே வந்தால் எதுவும் மாற்ற முடியாது.
சப்ப மேட்ரு சார்.
Karuppu means black is 2026 Indian Tamil language fantasy action film directed by R.J. Balaji. From a screenplay he co-wrote the with Ratna Kumar, Ashwin Ravichandran, Rahul Raj, T.S. Gopi Krishnan and Karan Aravind Kumar. Produced by Dream Warrior Pictures, the film stars Surya, Trisha Krishnan and Balaji alongside Indrans, Nati Subramanyam, Swastika Sachwada and Suprit Reddy. In the film, the Guardian deity Vettaya Karuppu disguises himself as a lawyer to fight corruption in court system that exploits a young girl awaiting a liver transplant. The music given by Sai Abankar. The running time of the movie is 152 minutes. The release date of the movie is 15 May 2026. The budget of the movie is 130 to 140 crore and the box office collection is 300 crore. The film was officially announced in October 2024 under the tentative title Surya 45. Let's see the critical reception of the movie. Karuppu received mixed to positive reviews from critics. M. Sugant from The Times of India rated 2.5 out of 5 stars and wrote, "As long as it sticks to just court things, Karuppu works. But once it goes all out, just God things, the film swaps human emotion for divine spectacle and emerges less powerful for it." Yashaswini Sri from The Indian Express rated 3 out of 5 stars and wrote, "A deity walks into a court drama that is premise of Karuppu and on paper it should not work as well as it does." R.J. Balaji writing the best out of Surya Shivakumar and deliver a film full of moments the fans will talk about for a while. But as the wishlist whistles fade, what is left is plot that loses its way. One of Surya's strongest performances in years is delivered in a film that is only half as good as he is. Bhuneshwar Chandar from The Hindu wrote, "Sure, the scenes that show Surya in God mode are fun to watch, but the emotional scaffolding begins to wither away, especially after the terrific intervention block as a major hiccup. The film doesn't clearly establish a maintain the rules of its supernatural entity, resorting to them as and when